Guys, when I say to everyone, at least Teacher May, Tiburcio, and other pro Duterte supporters, they already block Paulo Cruzada. Who among who blocked Paulo Cruzada? All of them. Oh, Jordan Pilapil. Oh, even Teacher Marisa. Even even Buddy Castro. Oh, they already blocked Paulo Cruzada. Not even just that, even Crystal Dulce Jurado, Yvette, Bruce Altabas, they already blocked Paulo Cruzada. How did they block Paulo Cruzada? Because, Paulo Cruzada, he doesn't do anything right. To bully, Teacher May, harassing Teacher May in social media, and then you call her, what did you call to Teacher May? What does Paulo Cruzada says? Hayupak ka, Teacher Mayo. And he says a bad words in call it PI. What is a PI means in Tagalog? Putang ina. O, I never want to say a bad words, Paulo Cruzada. Do you want really just like me when I say a bad words to Prince Gun? When I did to Prince Gun, I said, oh, when Teacher May scolded me, she said to me, wag ka magmura kay Prince Gun. Do not say bad words in Messenger. You should be responsible how to use cell phone. At least I understand with Teacher May. After I hit her, after I lash her out with my profanity, I told to Teacher May is to resign to CDIFI. But not this time. Oh, when Teacher May had already resigned in CDIFI, Teacher May has already retired. She spent time with her family. Why did you do that to Teacher May when she was retired? Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May doesn't do anything to you. Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, if you are a Marcos loyalist and Teacher May is a pro Duterte, if she's anti-Marcos, do you even just know the entangled with this kind of mental health of Teacher May? Teacher May doesn't do anything right. Why did you do that to Teacher May? Paulo Cruzada, with all kind of due respect, Teacher May doesn't do anything to you. Even like I said before, you're still harassing all the former teachers at CDIFI, Teacher Mirna, Teacher Chris, and even the former teachers like Teacher Jessa, Teacher Lendel. They didn't do anything to you. For me, I know Teacher May. Oh, because Teacher May is my former friend, former teacher. I know she gave me a T-shirt. Oh, the color red. When Kuya Kopio says, I was allegedly a Marcos loyalist, and I was not. That's my T-shirt that color red, and that's gift from Teacher May. Oh, I have that in my house. I have the what is that? I remember the tumbler. It was bought it from Miniso. Oh, Teacher May gave it to me, and Teacher May told me, "Do not use that bottle of water. Palitan mo na yan, and I will buy the new one," as she said. Oh, and now thanks to Teacher May, gave me a T-shirt, not T-shirt of color red, a bottle of water during my birthday. Because I didn't celebrate my birthday in CDIFI, I was not celebrating since without Buddy Castro and Diana and Apple. The only I best to celebrate my birthday is in my house. Or I go to I always do a celebration my birthday in Hyatt. Oh, like me. Oh, When Teacher May asked me, asked you, Paulo Cruzada, oh, when does the time that Teacher May asked me, oh, did you have a staycation there in Hyatt? And I said, yes, I staycation there in Hyatt. But I didn't staycation there in Hyatt in City of Dreams. Oh, we just eat there in the buffet. That's quite La Cafe. La Cafe, I celebrate there my birthday since 2019. Oh, and 2018. 2018 and 2019. Oh, we just ate there in La Cafe. In La Cafe, I ate different foods, even other dishes that I ate there. Oh, last year, I've been there in La Cafe. Oh, in City of Dreams, Manila. I ate something many more. Oh, during the my birthday of my sister Alexian, or even what else I remember the time. We ate there in the cafe, and also we spent bonding. Not bonding. We just ate there buffet. But teacher may ask me, I ate there in buffet. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada, where did you celebrate your birthday? Oh, you didn't eat there in La Cafe. You always celebrate your birthday. You go to the province with your parents. Like me, I ate there in the buffet in Metro Manila, Pasay, even Paranaque. You know the City of Dreams, Manila. I ate there buffet. Even I have lots of food I ate there in buffet in Hyatt. Oh, even in Conrad, I celebrate my birthday last August 21. But Teacher May never greet me happy birthday to me. Oh, I ate there in Conrad. Do you know Conrad, Paulo Cruzada? Oh, because I know I challenge you. I ate there in buffet during in my last birthday. And recently I didn't staycation there. We just eat there in buffet in in Conrad. Oh, there's lots of buffet. Hey yo, Paulo Cruzada, where did you eat the buffet? Your buffet anyway, you didn't eat the buffet. You always to spend bonding in abroad. You go to Hong Kong, you go to Japan. Always to do, you eat there nothing. You know, Paulo Cruzada, when I was in Hong Kong, I ate there in that, what's that? I mentioned that the teacher may saw it in Hong Kong. Oh, I ate um, de Coral. Oh, that my mom had talked with Ate Hana in Messenger. And another one, I ate in yakiniku in Japan. I tasted the yakiniku. In yakiniku, when I was in Osaka, Japan, I taste yakiniku. And also that time I was in Nagoya in Osaka. In Osaka, Japan, before Nagoya, I ate yakiniku. When I was there in Osaka, Japan, I taste yakiniku. Oh, during the time when I was in Nagoya, I was toured by Kuya MA. I ate ramen. Oh, like you, Paulo Cruzada. Where did you eat anywhere? Nothing. Wala. You're always make manipulative. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, huh? You should never harass Teacher May. You know, I never talked to Teacher May, Thanks to J. Rick Silva. He chatted the Teacher May Tiburcio and Ronald Rebena. He told them, i-block mo na lang si Paulo Cruzada, wag mo na lang pansinin. You know, for you, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, you need to pay for your consequence. Do not harass people who are anti-Marcos. Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May is also anti-Marcos. She is pro-Duterte. Oh, look at Teacher May. Oh, in 2016, she idolized Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, she voted Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, me, I was not the voter register. My mom and dad voted Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, that's 2016. They voted Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, in 2022, Teacher May did not vote Lenny Robredo. She voted, what's that in 2022 in election? What does she vote? Why did she vote anyway? So Teacher May had voted Isko Moreno and Manny Pacquiao, but she chose Manny Pacquiao or Isko Moreno. But she voted Manny Pacquiao. Oh, but me, at the time, I know this is my fault too that I voted Bongbong Marcos. Because some of my other friends, even Teacher Vincent, Teacher Gio, they voted Lenny. Oh, and even Carlos Kanahashi and Denzel Joshua, they voted Lenny. Oh, you, Paulo Cruzada, you voted Bongbong Marcos. I know this is our fault anyway. You vote Bongbong Marcos. Just be remember, Paulo Cruzada, when I read in the history of revisionism against Marcoses, um, I was told by teacher Evelyn, she experienced of martial law of Marcos Sr. She experienced when she read the newspaper. There is a massacre of the Jabida massacre. Hundreds of Filipino, Shia, and Sunni Muslims who were get killed, who were Filipino, who were Bangsamoro, who were killed by Marcos Sr. And let's say about assassination of Ninoy. He was assassinated. He was forced by Ronald Galman. Because what I'm telling to you, Paulo Cruzada, oh, the Marcos loyalist wannabe. Remember, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Imelda Marcos are the greatest robbery of the government. Same as like his son, Bongbong Marcos. Don't be such a rude, Paulo Cruzada. Have mercy to your family. Don't be such a bully. Teacher May is just like Ate Mirasol. She always be kind at me. She always caring at me. May malasakit yan si Teacher May. Like I said, do not bully Teacher May. My friend who's American, Midnight 123, who's a Trump supporter, he doesn't know Teacher May, that she is a pro Duterte. My Russian friend Dennis SBO, he doesn't know Teacher May because I know she is a pro Duterte. Both of them they didn't know. Hindi sila kilala. The only I know is Teacher May. She is my former teacher. Oh, the time Paulo Cruzada when I was in Japan, Teacher May had liked my post of my mom when I was in what's that Tokyo or in Japan, even Osaka in 2017 or 2016 or 2017. Teacher May like my post of my mom. And even that time when I was in Hong Kong, Wawel Romero and Teacher May had liked my post of my mom. Oh, even I was in Osaka, Japan, Teacher May like the post. Oh, for right now, we end up the friendship with Teacher May. She is already retired. She is spending time with her family. She is already retired, Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, if you harass Teacher May, Sir Paulo Cuba will unfriended you. Do not harass Teacher May, Paulo Cruzada. Have mercy to that person. Like I say to you, hindi ka inaano ni Teacher May. I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, stop invading her privacy. Do not harass Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada, why can't you go with Kuya Copio? Both of you are Marcos loyalists. You're harassing Teacher May that she is anti-Marcos and she's a pro-Duterte. Just like I said, pro-Duterte na nga po si Teacher May. Oh, why did you harass her? Because I know Teacher May Tiburcio had said the screenshot to Ronald Rebena. Had said the screenshot of Teacher Marisa. They saw the screenshot. What did Paulo Cruzada did? He harassed Teacher May. And even what he just do, he read it in the message. And even the time when I said it, Teacher May had sent all the screenshot to the social media personality, Sir Jack Argoda. And Sir Jack Argoda told Teacher May, wag mo na lang pansinin si Paulo Cruzada. Bobo pala yan, like I said. You know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, if you want to make manipulation, kung tapang-tapangan ka pala, like I said, Paulo Cruzada, you will never get away from this. You will never get away from what you did to Teacher May. I'm the one who can get away from you. I'm the one who can accuse you. I am the one who wants to start a fight. You're a special child. Your parents doesn't know what you're doing. I say again, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, you need to lecture your son.